Hello, everyone. My name is Sachin Abeywardana. I am a senior machine learning engineer at Canva. Fun fact about me, I don't drink coffee, but I do lots of salsa. And I don't mean the dip, I mean the dancing salsa. Thank you.
A lot of times the criticism that we have from other engineers that come on here is like, for 90% of the problems, deep learning is overkill. Why not just use the stuff that's fast and lightweight?
That's so okay. Let me talk about the lightweight thing, right? So it's 2023 now, right? So to say that you can't deploy a deep learning model in production because it's too heavy, it's just simply wrong, right? So let's throw that side out. Because like these days there's Docker now. You don't need a GPU as well. Like there's plenty of things that you can apply to with using just normal CPUs that and it'll be fast enough. So yes, like XGBoost is still better for tabular data. With the tabular data, obviously that's the one thing that non-deep learning models have a big edge on. So they've tried to beat it. Like I think TabNet was one of the first papers that tried to beat it, and it's still not there yet. But again, I do think it's getting closer and closer. The gap is getting smaller, right? So I do think it will overtake at some point. But that's tabular data, right? So I feel like again we're not thinking far enough. So again, disclaimer, my opinion. So for example, a lot of tabular data have text rows in them, right? So most of the time when you're doing analysis, you just go, well, we'll just extract a few keywords from this, or so do some simple NLP type things, and then let's treat this as a normal tabular problem where you have one column to predict. But the better way, I think, is to take those text data, use your favorite, your NLP transformer, and then use those extra features, and then do your predictions. Yeah, so you can go beyond what you used to do if you can combine deep learning into this whole problem space.